Hello and welcome to Hands-On Education. In this video, we will look at different tartan patterns. Firstly, we need to know what is tartan. Tartan is the name given to a woolen fabric which is woven to create a number of shapes and patterns with different colours and lines. Look at this tartan. What patterns and shapes do you see in this fabric? You might notice that the lines are vertical and horizontal. This means they go up and down and also across. You might also see that small and big squares are created using different colours. There are also different sized rectangles in this fabric. These patterns are repeated over and over. Wearing tartan is a large part of Scottish tradition, and many people still wear tartan today. The kilt in particular is a traditional piece of clothing, usually worn by boys and men on special occasions. Wearing tartan in Scotland dates back hundreds of years. It was mainly worn in the Highlands, which is an area in the north of Scotland. Families in the Highlands, known as clans, would wear different patterned tartan to show which clan they belonged to. For your hands-on activity, use fabric and ribbons to create your own tartan pattern. For more information about this activity and more activities related to the UK, please go to handsoneducation.com, Year 2, the United Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!